Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. For this project share, I am sharing my folio. I'm so happy to share it with you. This was another folio made by Maymay Crafts. But before we get into it, I want to show you the paper pad that I used. Now this is a 2019 Craft Smart pad, and I broke into it in some instances, but I had a lot of it still left and I wanted to use it. I love fall, and so this is right up my alley. I'm showing this to you because I want to show you how I use these types of pages where it's like that type of page, or maybe like a 6x6. I can't wait to use those. I'm going to use that for a 6x6 folio that Maymay actually made. Now I know what to use those for. But like the large full size page, or like a border page like this, I want to show you how I use these. I have a hard time using them, and I've been really trying to get myself out of my comfort zone and just use them. Here's another one that's really pretty. I think would look really nice in a folio. The way that I use them, I think it would be beneficial to show you and kind of share that with you. Anyway, so here's my folio. It's so pretty. Ah! Those were the angels singing, by the way. Okay, so look at that border page. I was able to cut it down and make it like a frame. And it's so gorgeous. I love it. So I did have, Mimi does show 2 pockets in here. I didn't put like an insert, but that's one of the pockets in the other side of that border page. There it is. It's the other pocket. You know, another way that you can use the border page is if you take one of the long strips and actually put it onto like a pocket right there. Yeah, I think that would look nice as well. Yeah, that's so beautiful. Oh, I think it's so gorgeous. One of the things I like a lot about this is that it's a small folio. And look how thin it is. We may only take about 10 to 20 photos, and if you make this huge album that fits like 100 photos, that's too big, right? So look, we can probably put 2 photos here, maybe another 2 photos here, 2 photos there, another 2 here, or just 1. Plus we have some pockets there, another pocket on that side. Yeah, so you know, you have it's small enough to fit like a small event worth of photos. So that's the end of my project share. I hope you like this folio. I will give you a link to the other folio project share that I have, and also to Maymay's folio tutorial. It's really good. You should check it out. Thanks. Until next time.